Hi, my name is Eugene and I'm from Reverse Safe, and today I will talk to you about adding a reversing camera to Audi factory screen. When you select the reverse gear, the rear view camera is activated and you can see the rear view display on the factory LCD multimedia screen in the vehicle. The reversing camera provides you guidelines to know how far you are from the obstacle or object behind your vehicle. LED lights in this camera ensure enhanced night vision. Audi A4, A5 and Q5 are compatible with this edition of rear vision system. If you are driving with your family and children, it will be a must. Also, it will be of great advantage when your vehicle is ready for backing into a parking spot. You'll be getting a high quality and compact reversing camera. This IP67 waterproof to suit rain, hail or shine. If you have any questions, please call Reverse Safe on 1300 987 355.